Hey everyone, getting the failed to extract resources needed by IL2CPP error in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? Don't worry, I have got you covered. This error usually happens due to corrupted files, storage issues, or installation errors. Let's fix it step by step. First, ensure your device has enough storage space. Mobile Legends requires extra space to extract and store files. Aim to have at least 3 to 5 GB of free space. Next, try clearing the cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then manage apps depending on your phone model. Then find Mobile Legends from the game. Tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Then restart the app and check if the issue persists. If clearing the cache doesn't work, reinstall Mobile Legends. Uninstall the game, restart your phone, and download it again from the Google Play Store. This often resolves corrupted and incomplete downloads. Ensure that your device is updated to the latest version of Android. Outdated operating systems can sometimes cause compatibility issues. If the error still shows up, check if Google Play services and Google Play Store are up to date. Keeping these services updated ensures smoother game performance. Lastly, restart your phone once again and launch the game. Everything should work perfectly now. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and follow for more Mobile Legends tips. See you in the battlefield.